Welcome to Volatility 411. I'm Joe Teague. All eyes were on inflation this morning with the critical CPI data coming out. It was slightly hotter than expected, and we saw some fireworks in rates right after that announcement. We saw rates spiking out very momentarily to new highs in the 2-year and in the 10-year, only to be unwound. Now, seemingly there is critical resistance at those levels. You look at the 2-year at 5.1, you look at the 10-year at 4.3. Those have been resistance. You go back the last 2 years, it's really tough to see those above those levels. I think if the market closes above those levels, there could be higher rates ahead. But as long as we're below those levels, the market seemingly is comfortable with today's action. Looking at today's action, in spite of the hotter than expected inflation, the market's higher and the VIX is lower. So that's what we'll be watching in closely. Now that this event is past us, the market's always looking on to the next thing. We have PPI tomorrow, we have the Fed next week, so there's always the next thing in the market. However, with the VIX below 14, again, the market's saying, I am comfortable as long as these rates are not breaking out. Again, critical levels, 5.1 in the 2-year, 4.3 in the 10-year. If we can stay below those levels, the market's comfortable with the rally going forward for the rest of the year. For Equity Armor Investments, I'm Joe Teague.